this is what Jaclyn has for lunch. Today we got an Nesquik, which is her favorite. Jaclyn has it quite a bit. I have some Flavor Blasted Goldfish, some blueberries and bananas by request, a baggie of Doritos, Nutter Butter cookies, and a peanut butter fluff sandwich. I got the fluff at the Dollar Tree, and I got the cookies also at the Dollar Tree. And we have her breadsticks, which we also pick up at the Dollar Tree. They have them at Aldi, but they're only $1 at the Dollar Tree, depending on where you live in the U.S., because some Dollar Trees out west are $1.25 or $5 and below. We have reached a milestone. I'll be announcing winners later today. And we are resetting the Dollar Tree gift card giveaway. When we get to 800, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subs, one for comments. You must be subscribed. If you comment, you must be a U.S. resident. If you are new, you must comment you are new in order to qualify. Good luck, people. And we'll also be issuing out the closet organizers as well, and that will be the last items giveaway until after Christmas.